Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a editable outline text effect in Illustrator. Please subscribe my channel. First type the text you want. This is the font I used. Now go to Windows and click Appearance. At the bottom click New Stroke and choose the color you want and increase the stroke by 3 points. Then click the effects and select path, offset path and copy these settings and click OK. Again click on the effects, pathfinder and click add. That's it. This is how you create a editable outline text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you like it. Please click on the like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.